2, 1. Do it.
I did. Check out this newly improved super truck. It's in our merchandise store.
Yeah, come free at www.willandjjpromotion.com.
So we're gonna sell and tomorrow is buy one get one free.
Yeah, it's Black Friday, so all the merchandise is free.
For one